and welcome to my vlog. So for today's vlog, guys, I'm going to cook a special ramyun. So one of our favorite is the Korean ramyun or instant noodles, the spicy ones. So today, join me as I show you how I like my ramyun. So for the noodles, I'm actually using this for today. Kuris Ramyun. So this is really nice, guys. So first thing is, of course, we have to put our water. So it's already boiled water, guys. And maybe a lot of you will wonder why I'm using this. Reveal later. So first thing, once the water is boiling, I would actually boil our ingredients. So these are different kind of, balls. How do you call it? Like, the fish balls and stuff. So you've got different kinds of that here. And then, of course, guys, ramyun will not be complete without any hot dogs. Ayan. Our favorite ingredient in our ramyun is hot dogs. And of course, our crab sticks. And of course, this is gonna add more flavoring into our ramyun. So we just took out the crab sticks, guys, because it's overcooked already. And then, of course, once you think those balls and hot dogs are cooked, you can also take it out. Ayan, so I would just reuse the same water, guys, because all the flavors of our ingredients are there already. And I just put my noodles. Very important, guys, is of course the eggs. Ta-da! Just chuck it in there. And then we have these veggies for the ramyun. And then, of course, the ramyun powder. So very important when you cook ramyun, I think, is to make sure that you just have enough water for your noodles. Otherwise, sometimes if you put too much water, then it wouldn't taste nice anymore. So I'm just gonna put back our ingredients. I'm just gonna cut these hot dogs that we boiled earlier. There, and then we return all the balls as well. And then, of course, we like putting vegetables into our ramyun. So we're gonna put some shiitake mushroom, guys. So I normally use this dried shiitake mushroom. And of course, we put some spinach. O diba, guys, sa dami ng sahog, hindi mo na makita yung sabaw nitong ramyun. Because we put too much ingredients, we cannot see the soup anymore. And of course, very important for the noodles as well is the spring onions. guys, so I think okay na ang ating ramyun. So isi-serve na lang natin. So that's our special ramyun, guys. It's time to eat. Ayan guys, maybe you're wondering why I used pan when I cook the ramyun. It's because I'll be eating using it. Ayan guys, that's for me. And this is for my husband. So, let's see yung kanyang reaction. Guys, we also have homemade kimchi. So, it's not yet fully fermented, but I think it's okay. So, tara na, let's eat! So good. So ayan guys, this is our kimchi. Are you not gonna join my vlog for the eating? Haha. Baby, that's yours. This is mine.
Bakit? Parang lugi ka naman yata.
Lugi ako or lugi ka? Hindi ko maubos yung ramyun. I'm so full already. So maybe mamaya ulit, try natin ubusin itong natirang to. So that's for our ramyun lamon for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlog and saranghae, everyone!